Hello everybody, Jessica Hennessy from The Haute Life, and welcome. Today we are in the beautiful city of Boston on a gorgeous summer day. We are here at Alibi, where they have an amazing patio, great food, beautiful decor, and most importantly, fun cocktails. So let's head over to the bar and see what they're gonna make us. Amy, thank you so much for having me back here at the bar today at Alibi. What cocktail are you gonna make for me?
Today we're making the Rita Hayworth with Codigo 1530. It is a beautiful Rosa Tequila. It is aged in French white oak Cabernet barrels, which gives beautiful color as well as a light floral flavor. It's a generations old recipe, beautiful premium tequila.
That's great. I love tequila. Do you like tequila?
So do I love it. This is a great one as well.
It really is. It's actually one of my favorites. I'm so excited to try the Rita Hayworth. What else do you have in this great cocktail?
So for one cocktail, it's 1.5 ounces of passion fruit simple syrup, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1.5 ounces of Codigo 1530 Rosa Tequila, a splash of Campari, and then a few mint leaves.
It's great, and I understand you make all of your ingredients fresh and in-house.
Right, fresh squeezed juice and homemade simple syrup.
There's nothing better than a cocktail with a premium spirit like Codigo 1530, as well as fresh ingredients. I'm so excited to try it. Let's go for it.
Add ice.
Look at that color. That's gorgeous. Amy, thank you so much. This looks beautiful.
Cheers to tequila.
Cheers to tequila. Cheers to Codigo 1530 and to Alibi. And to you. Let's see. Let's try it. That is so delicious. That is so refreshing.
Right.
Cheers to Rita Hayworth.
Absolutely.
Thank you to Amy for making this beautiful Rita Hayworth cocktail using the gorgeous and incredibly tasty Codigo 1530 Rosa Tequila. My only regret is that you guys can't taste it. So I'll tell you what, come on down to the patio, order one. Enjoy the summer. Before you know it, it's gonna be snowy and cold. So cheers guys, come on down.